Hey guys, we're doing a maintenance wash on Josh's STI, so we're just going to walk you guys through exactly what we do for a vehicle and what you should be doing if you're doing this yourself. First, we're just showing you that the car's been washed in a year, so the water beading has faded a little bit. You can see on the bottom panels in that last clip that the water was laying pretty flat. We're going to start by doing a iron decon on the entire vehicle, so all the paint work, wheels, anything we can spray is going to get an iron decon, just to give it a good deep cleaning before we foam it down. Next step here, we are foaming the vehicle down and prepping for our wash. We're going to be using CarPro Reset in the bucket here to wash the vehicle. And after our hand wash process, you can see that the coating is working again and it's repelling water. All the hydrophobics are back and it's doing exactly what it should be doing. This is what a clean coating looks like. Coated vehicle makes drying super easy. You can use air, leaf blower, compressed air, a soft towel like we are. Makes drying a breeze. And as you can see in the next clip, we didn't have to add any kind of wax or sealants on the coating. The car is looking like it just got ceramic coated all over again.